Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Sarah here. I'll be doing a straight pour on a light pink background. I mix my paints with only water. You can add a floral or silicone oil to it, but I prefer the simple method. So let's pour. Wow, just look at this. Look at the colors. Look at how all the colors integrate with one another. And look at those cells. Just so pretty. No floral, no silicone oil, just acrylics and water. Just look at how all the paint flow and mix together. This is beautiful.